Hi there, young philosophers. Have you ever looked at your favorite toy and wondered what makes it so real? We can see its color and feel its shape, but there is a secret inner layer that makes it what it is. This is where metaphysics begins. It's a very big word for a very good job. Being the detective for reality, metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that studies the fundamental nature of existence. It asks the biggest questions humans can think of, like what is the world made of and what does it mean to be you? It even explores things that we can see, like how our minds work or why the universe exists at all.
To understand where this started, we have to travel back to ancient Greece to talk about a famous thinker named Aristotle. He loved to study nature, things that he could touch, see, and measure. He called what he studied physics. Hundreds of years later, students placed his books on first philosophy right after his books on physics. In Greek, ta metaphysica, metaphysics now in English. Later, thinkers like René Descartes, who said thinking is what proves we exist, and Immanuel Kant, who stated that our minds help shape how we see the world and not just our eyes, helped us to understand the gap between what we see and what truly is.
Metaphysics is like a big house with many rooms. Let's look inside. In this first room, ontology, this is the sorting room. Here the philosophers ask, what categories of things exist? Are colors real or just something our brains make up? It's a pile of bricks, just a pile, or it's a castle. The metaphysics of time. This is a giant debate. Some think the past and present, future all exist at once, like a long movie strip already printed. That's eternalism. Others call it presentism. Think only what is happening right now. It's real. On this room, cosmology, this is the room where it studies the nature of the whole universe. Why it is organized in this way? Does the universe have a purpose? Or is this just a happy accident? Modality, this is a puzzle worlds room. It helps us to organize thoughts into three buckets. Things that are impossible, like square circles, things that are possible, like you having a pet crocodile, and things that are necessary things that must be true, like 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Metaphysics faces some huge puzzles. One is the mind body problem. Your brain is a physical thing we can see on a scan, but your thoughts and feelings feel invisible. How can a physical brain create an invisible you? Then there is the mystery of identity. If you replace every single brick in a Lego castle one by one, is it still the same castle you started with? At what point does it become a new castle, in this case? These are called dilemmas.
And don't forget free will. Are you truly the author of your choices, or is it everything just a chain of reaction of events that started at the beginning of time? And here is where metaphysics formulates the hardest question of all. Why is there something rather than nothing? When this debate is finished, we could really say metaphysics dilemmas have been resolved.
As a conclusion, metaphysics is really important for every toy, human, and living being because it encourages us to use our superpower, the power of why. Metaphysics is amazing because it teaches us that thinking is just as important as doing. It reminds us to look past the surface of our objects, our structures, our surroundings, and even ourselves.
By asking why and using logic, we become more aware of the world around us. It keeps us understand our place in this giant mysterious universe. So keep questioning, keep wondering, and always look beyond what you see. Stay safe and thank you for watching.